Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix slow touch response on any iPhone. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just open settings, then go to accessibility. Now in accessibility, just tap on touch. From here, just tap on touch accommodations and make sure you disable touch accommodations and hold duration. Now once you disable both of these options, just go back. Now in the accessibility settings, you will find the option of motion. Just tap on it. Now if reduce motion is enabled on your iPhone, just disable reduce motion. Now from here, just go to your home screen and check if this fixes your issue or not. Now if this did not fix your issue, just force restart your iPhone. Now to do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Now just press and hold the power button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Now once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the power button. Now if this did not fix your issue, just open settings, then go to general. From here, just tap on software update and check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. Now, as you can see, our iPhone software is up to date. Now, if you have updated the software of your iPhone and if this also did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with the screen of your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix slow touch response on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.